How do you gloss the philosophical program of naturalism?
Well, it's a good question. I taught a course last semester in the philosophy department on naturalism, and the students kind of liked it because they said, no one, all the individual ideas that we talked about had for the most part been brought up in other philosophy classes, but had never been sort of put together in this way, right? Because you need to talk about epistemology, you need to talk about foundations of mathematics. Are mathematical things real? Is that part of your naturalism? You have to think about moral and ethical philosophy. Or is morality real? You get to think about physics and emergence and complexity and all these things. So I think that naturalism is just sort of a very, very rich source of philosophical ideas. That's not surprising, not my original thought, but thinking of it, as naturalism is actually doesn't happen as much as you might think in the philosophy community. So I think doing that opens up some doors to connections between different sets of questions in philosophy. Justin Clark Doan at Columbia is a philosopher who I had on my podcast, Mindscape, and he works on morality and mathematics, the parallels and non-parallels between the foundations of moral theories and the foundations of mathematical theories. And so to me, that's quintessentially natural philosophy, like thinking about the natural world, but taking seriously the challenges of it. Just to say, okay, it's the natural world, we're going to do science on it and learn about it, leaves a tremendous amount of philosophy still to be done.